Welcome to Research Hub. A literature review is important because it identifies gaps, builds on existing knowledge, and provides a foundation for new research. In this video tutorial, I will discuss how to extract data from the research articles for your literature review. There are multiple techniques for doing so, but this AI tool will help you a lot. So, let's follow the steps. Open any search engine and then search for borium. Click on this website that is Borium AI for Science with Global Scientists. Follow the steps on the left-hand side. You can see multiple options. Select the knowledge base. Now click on the upload. Then choose your research paper you want to upload for extracting the data. Click Open. It will ask for a folder. So just click on the new folder base and here give a name to your folder. For example, I'm naming it Summary. Click Create, then press OK. Our research article has been uploaded successfully. Now click on this folder Summary. Here is our research article that we have uploaded. Here there are different options that you can use for extracting data into your literature review. First of all, select this option that is Read PDF. This option will ask Borium to read and analyze this whole PDF paper. You can write your prompt here or you can select any prompt from below. For example, I am going to ask for give me a concise summary of this paper. It will provide you with a very concise text that you can extract from this research article into your literature review. Now go back to the home page, and you can ask for the different other options as well. Click on this key takeaway. Click on Generate. It will automatically provide you the background, including the research motivation, current status and problems, research significance, experimental design, result analysis. Each and every section with a detailed yet concise. Now, beside the concise summary and the key takeaways, you can also ask for the AI poster. By clicking the AI poster, you will be provided an attractive AI poster for this research article. You can see it has provided us with a very attractive and beautiful research poster for this article. You can simply download it for free as well as if you are sick of reading. You can ask the Borium to play this whole paper so you can listen it to it. I hope this video will help you in enriching your literature review. Don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel.